Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Using Streamlabs desktop for TikTok live streams can significantly elevate your content and help you engage followers more professionally. Streamlabs offers features that address TikTok's unique vertical format and help you go viral. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to set up professional streams, engage followers, and go viral using Streamlabs for TikTok. First of all, these are some of the prerequisites. Before you start, you'll need Streamlabs desktop. Just download and install Streamlabs desktop on your Windows or Mac computer. This is the site to download it. It's free to download, by the way. You'll also need TikTok live access. This is crucial. TikTok has specific eligibility requirements for live streaming, e.g., minimum follower count and age, and even location. You can apply through Streamlabs. Streamlabs has a direct integration that allows eligible creators to apply for TikTok live access from within the Streamlabs desktop application. This often streamlines the process. Alternatively, you can apply directly through the TikTok app itself. You can also use the Stream key. In some cases, if you don't get native access, TikTok might provide an RTMP server URL and Stream key. Streamlabs can use this to connect, but native integration offers more features. Now, let's start by setting up Streamlabs desktop for TikTok. Connect your TikTok account. Just go ahead and open Streamlabs desktop first. In here, go to settings by clicking on this gear icon. Just click on stream. Select connect next to TikTok. Log into your TikTok account, that is either via QR code, phone or email or username, Facebook, Google, and many more of these options. Now you'll need to authorize Streamlabs to access your TikTok account. If you have native live access, you can hit confirm and go live. If not, you'll be redirected to apply for permission. The second thing to do here is to optimize video settings for TikTok's vertical format, which is very crucial. TikTok Live is primarily vertical, that is 9 by 16 aspect ratio. Just take note of that. So you'll need to do that by going to settings here. Now click on video. In here, enable dual output. This is a game changer for TikTok streamers. It allows you to stream in both horizontal, that is for platforms like Twitch or YouTube, and vertical for TikTok formats simultaneously. Set your vertical resolution to 1080 by 1920 or higher if your setup allows it. Now set your frame rate, that is the FPS, to 30 FPS for smooth streams. If your PC is powerful, 60 FPS is excellent. Now I have an image here for the video bitrate. Just click on this. Okay, let's go to encoder as well. TikTok currently supports H.264 encoders, and we will now need to optimize audio settings as well. In here, go to settings, still here, and then click on audio. Ensure that your microphone is selected and configured correctly. Test your audio levels to avoid any distortion or being too quiet. And for audio bitrate, maximum of 1 Mbps. Now let's set up your scenes and sources for professionalism. You can create scenes here. Scenes are different layouts for your stream, e.g. starting soon, main gameplay, we write back, ending stream. So in the Streamlabs desktop editor, use the scenes panel. You can add sources as well. So this is what viewers will see. Game capture or window capture or display capture is also here to show your gameplay for specific applications. We also have video capture device for your webcam or facecam. We also have image or media source for overlays, logos, custom backgrounds, and we also have text for custom messages and stream goals, etc. We also have alert box. This is crucial for engagement. And we also have browser source. This one is for custom widgets or website content. Now, this is the design for vertical. When dual output is enabled, you will see both horizontal and vertical canvases. Just position elements carefully so they look good in both orientations. Use the sources panel to toggle visibility of elements for either the horizontal or vertical output. For example, you might have a larger webcam for horizontal and a smaller, more centralized one for vertical. For overlays, choose vertical friendly overlays from the Streamlabs library. Keep elements clean and focused, ensuring they don't obscure key content like your face cam. Now we will need to engage followers and we can go viral. So we have custom alerts and widgets. Now we have alert box here. Add this as a source. It will pop up on your stream when you get new followers, likes, gifts, etc. Customize the visuals and sounds to match your brand. You also have TikTok chat integration. Streamlabs desktop now integrates TikTok chat directly. This is vital for real-time engagement. You also have goal widgets, set up follower goals, gift goals, or coin goals to encourage interaction and support. We also have tip jar or donation alerts if eligible, set up tipping for viewers to support you as well. We can have interactive elements in here where you can add polls and Q&As, utilize TikTok's native live features for polls to involve your audience. You can also acknowledge new followers, gift givers, and active chat participants by name. We also have call to actions. You can encourage viewers to follow, like, share your live, or visit your other social media. Now, this is content strategy for virality. First, you'll need to have consistent schedule. Go live regularly so your audience knows when to find you. Also, engaging content is key. What makes your stream unique? Is it gaming? Is it Q&A? Is it behind the scenes? Is it tutorials? Is it creative projects? Just create engaging content. You also need high energy. Keep the energy up and interact frequently. Silence can kill a live stream, by the way. Now respond to comments, make viewers feel seen and heard by actively reading and even responding to their comments. Collaborate as well. Go live with other TikTok creators to cross promote and reach new audiences. You can also use relevant hashtags. You can also promote your live, announce your upcoming live streams on your TikTok feed, other social media, and even without your Streamlabs overlay. You can also repurpose content after your live. Use Streamlabs recording features on TikTok's download options to create short, engaging clips for your main TikTok feed to draw more viewers to future lives. Now, also craft catchy titles and descriptions that clearly indicate what your live is all about and encourage people to join. Now going live is here. This is just some final checks before we go live. Just preview your stream in Streamlabs to ensure that all sources and overlays are correctly positioned for both vertical and horizontal outputs. Do a quick audio check. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. Once you're done, in here in Streamlabs desktop, click the Go Live button, select TikTok as one of your streaming platforms, and add your live title, description, and game category if applicable. Click confirm and just go live. By leveraging Streamlabs desktop's powerful features like dual output, customizable overlays, and direct TikTok integration, you can significantly enhance your live streams, capture attention, and effectively grow your presence on TikTok. Thank you for watching. If this video is helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.